Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Learning Channel, English Vocabs. Today, we are going to learn 20 action vocabulary with sentence. Hit. The ball hit the house. The hospital had been hit with heavy artillery fire. Kiss. The man bent down to kiss the child. Go and kiss your mother good night. Break. He fell through the window, breaking the glass. Break the cauliflower into florets. Catch. Try to catch the ball. She ran very fast to catch up with the other members. Clap. He clapped his friend on the shoulder. You cannot clap with one hand. Sit. He was sitting in a chair next to the window. Kick. He kicked the door hard. He kicked the ball too hard, and it went over the fence. Laugh. His joke got the biggest laugh. Laugh as much as you like. Stand. Please stand still while I take your picture. Don't just stand there. Punch. He punched me in the face. She gave him a punch on the nose. Jog. He put on his running shoes and went for a jog. He jogs 2 miles every morning to keep in shape. Run. He scored a run. I'll run you home. March. We marched in the rain all the way to the Supreme Court and back. Wave. She waved goodbye to me. Talk. I need to talk to you. I need to have a talk with you. drag. Don't drag me into your argument. Open. The door suddenly swung open. He opened the window and looked out. Stretch. I got up and had a stretch. She stretched her arms out. Drop. He dropped the bag and all the apples fell out. The last drop makes the cup run over. Slip. She slipped on the ice. The dog slipped its lead. Lie down. I'd like to lie down for a while. I'm going to lie down. Pour. Can I pour you some more coffee? The chimneys pour out toxic fumes. Just try this. Try to write 2 sentences for this action vocabulary in comment section. If you like my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.